Do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Here comes the action, man.
Oh my God!
You'll be fine.
What the fuck did you do?
The hard drive's gone. Go to the back now.
Check this out. Father's looking for his missing daughter. She's our first case.
Some very bad people want her found before she can make a sound.
What do we know about her?
We know she's smart
And how do we know that?
because she's still breathing.
Who are you guys? How are you two involved?
How do you fit into all this?
We're private detectives.
I'm sorry.
Why does everybody have that reaction?
I need to know where she might be.
Get fucked, mama. I'll tell you all I know.
There's always the possibility that you might lie.
If I see that girl on TV in anything other than a body bag, I will bury you.
They are going to find you. We need to get you out of here fast.
Lovely. Good work, fella. The money will be in your account tomorrow. You're bringing someone else here.
Some kind of terrorism specialist.
I like this guy.
Hey, look at me when I'm talking to you.
Leave her alone.
What just happened?
We are the only people who know what's on that hard drive. If we don't find it and expose it to the world, then we're all dead. What do you want?
He wants to sex you out. Tick tock, you don't stop all night.